Hey, what is up everybody? Zero Fats here coming at you on behalf of Life and Times of Zero Fats .adventuresontheriver.com. It is about 12:20 a.m. Friday morning, and what I'm going to do right now is just a little bit unprecedented. Here's the deal. There's 2 days left in this Alex Jeffries digital product machine promotion, okay? And I've saved the best for last. Here's the deal, alright? I am going to pay for you to buy this product. You go purchase the product. All you have to do is email me your receipt. Email me, show me that you've opted into my special bonus package. Okay, because obviously I have a little bonus package attached to the Alex Jeffries thing. It's got some really cool stuff in it. Email me the email that you opted into my bonus package, so I know that you're actually opted into my list. Email me the receipt so that I actually know you bought the product, and I will pay for it. No problem. Not just the front end, every product in the funnel. You can buy every product in that funnel and I will pay you back for those products. Absolutely. This is not a scam, this is real. If it wasn't real, how many people do you think I could rip off before people started commenting on my YouTube video comments that I'm ripping them off? It's absolutely not a scam. It boils down to this. Alex Jeffries is offering 100% commission on every product, on everything in his funnel, 100% throughout. I really lose nothing. I'm basically going to give you the money that he would be giving me, right? So what that equals is you get the product for free. I really lose nothing, okay? That's the deal, okay? So now it's not really a financial commitment for you. It's more of just, are you ready to take action? Are you ready to jump? Are you ready to try something? Something to lift you up, right? Are you ready? Because now it's not money that's stopping you. I'm offering you every product in his sales funnel for free, okay? That's it. All you have to do, email me the receipt, email me, show me that you purchased, and email me the email address you used to opt into my list. That's all you have to do, okay? You have 2 days, Friday and Saturday. Go.